orthophosphoric acid, sorry, orthophosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid, H3PO3. You see its structure. So here two OH groups. So its basicity equal to 2. Number of replaceable hydrogens also 2. So it can be formed so two types of salts. So it forms so two types of salts. Two types of salts. That is P double bond O Na OH H and P double bond O Na H. Its formula NaHPO3 H2PO3. Its formula Na2HPO3. Here one metal, one OH is present. If along with metal, if OH groups are present, they are called acidic salts. Acidic salt. Along with metal, if OH group also present in its structure, that is called acidic salt. And if there is no OH group is present, only metal is present, there is no OH group, that is normal salt. So orthophosphorus acid having one acidic salt, one normal salt. Total salts, two types of salts it can be formed. So one acidic salt, one is a normal salt. This acidic salt is nothing but only one Na is present. Only one Na is. Otherwise one metal can be displaced. This is also called primary salt. There are two NAs, that means two minus charges we can write. If you remove two NAs, two minus charges. So this is a secondary salt. This is also called secondary salt. Now we will discuss about the orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid. H3PO4. Its structure if you see P double bond O OH. There are three OH groups. So its basicity equal to 3. It can be formed so three type of salts. It can be formed because three OH groups mean it forms three type of salts. First salt, one H displaced by one metal. Mono valence containing metal. For example, I am taking Na only. NaO P double bond OH. Its formula I am writing NaH2PO4. NaH2PO4. Only one metal is there. This is also called primary salt. And the second one, two OH groups displaced by Na. OH. Here two minus charges. This is a secondary salt. Its formula is Na2HPO4. This is a secondary salt. Third one, total three OH groups displaced by metals. P double bond ONA minus. Here three OH group displaced by Na. So this is a tertiary salt. Formula Na3PO4. This is a tertiary salt. salt. This is also called normal salt. Normal salt. Tertiary salt or normal salt. That means there is no hydrogen, there is no OH groups. So this is normal salt. So phosphoric acid forms three types of salts: primary salt, secondary salt, and tertiary salt. Primary salt and secondary salts having OH groups with metals. Primary and secondary salts having OH groups and a metal. So these two are called acidic salts. These two are also acidic salts. There is no OH group in this case. That is a normal salt. This is a normal salt. These are acidic salts. So the phosphoric acid is forms three types of salts. In that two are acidic salts. One is a normal salt. Next. Hypophosphorus acid having monobasic. Generally monobasic acid, monobasicity containing salts, monobasicity containing oxyacids cannot form acidic salts. Monobasic oxyacids does not forms acidic salts. Acidic salts. Example: hypophosphorus acid, OHHH. This is hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2. Here only one OH group. When it reacts with a metal, it can be formed this OH group. OH is replaced by Na. Na minus P double bond O H. Metal is present, but there is no OH group. So this is normal salt, but not a acidic salt. This is not a acidic salt. Acidic salt must be containing OH group along with the metal. So this is a normal salt, but not a acidic salt. So this is about basicity and acidic salts. Next to reducing nature. So these oxyacids also act as a reducing character. They are act as reductants, mean they can be reduces others. So this reducing nature is depends on number of pH bonds. Reduction ability directly proportional to number of pH bonds. Number of pH bonds pH bonds increases, reducing nature increases. So if you see this hypophosphorus acid in H3PO2, it have two pH bonds. So among the all phosphorus oxyacids, this is a good reductant. This is a good reducing agent. So it is good reducing agent. If you observe ic acids does not having pH bonds. Ic acids does not have pH bonds, so they does not act as a reducing character. They does not act as reductants. Only us acids, that is hypophosphorus acid having two pH bonds, and also orthophosphorus acid having one pH bond. So these are good reductants. The reducing property of this H3PO2 can be explained by the examples, which can be reduces metal salts to metals. Example: reducing properties. Silver nitrate solution. When treated with this H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid, in the presence of water generally, forms silver, and also H3PO4, and also write it HNO3. HNO3. So silver here oxidation state +1, here 0. Silver reduced. Silver is going to reduce by H3PO2. So it is reductant. It is reductant. Itself undergo oxidation. It undergo oxidation. Reduction. This is the reductant. Reduction. So reductant undergo oxidation. Here oxidation state is +1. Here +5. So it is undergo oxidation. That means act as a reductant.